5 4-piece luggage set 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. Lightweight durable hardshell 4-piece spinner luggage set. Unlock seamless travel experiences with our lightweight durable hardshell 4-piece spinner luggage set. This versatile collection includes a 14-inch makeup box, 20-inch carry-on, and 24 and 28-inch checked bags, ensuring you're perfectly equipped for any journey. Crafted from resilient, lightweight ABS, each hardshell case resists scratches, keeping your luggage looking sharp trip after trip. Navigate bustling terminals with absolute ease thanks to the silent, multi-directional 360 degrees double spinner wheels, designed for effortless gliding and maximum durability. For your peace of mind, explosion-proof zippers offer superior security for your valuables. Comfort is paramount with adjustable telescoping handles and soft grip tops, making maneuvering a breeze. Travel smarter, safer, and in style. Number 4. Lightweight hardshell 4-piece spinner luggage TSA lock. Elevate your travel experience with our lightweight hardshell spinner luggage, meticulously designed for the modern explorer. Crafted from 100% ABS, this versatile set offers incredible durability without the unnecessary weight, ensuring your belongings stay perfectly protected while keeping your journey light. Navigate bustling airports effortlessly thanks to the multi-directional, smooth, and silent 360 degrees spinner wheels. Security is paramount, which is why each piece features an upgraded, TSA-accepted lock, providing essential peace of mind. Maneuver with confidence using the sturdy ergonomic aluminum telescoping handle. Inside, the squared, full-capacity design, complete with a mesh zip pocket and elasticated straps, keeps everything organized. Plus, for ultimate convenience, these pieces nest perfectly for compact storage. Travel smarter, travel lighter, travel with confidence. Number 3. Amazon's Choice Overall Pick. Say hello to truly effortless travel with Amazon's Choice Overall Pick luggage set, your ultimate companion for any journey. This comprehensive all-in-one system includes everything you need: a hard-side carry-on, a checked suitcase, a versatile tote, and a handy travel case, ensuring you're perfectly equipped for any adventure. Engineered for durability, their extra-thick hard shells guard your belongings against rough handling, providing peace of mind. Need more space? The smart expandable design offers up to 15% extra packing room, while the organized interior with dedicated compartments keeps everything tidy. Glide through airports effortlessly thanks to multi-directional wheels, a smooth telescoping handle, and a clever smart sleeve that connects your tote. Travel smarter, not harder. Number 2. Essential travel luggage sets. Meet your ultimate travel companion, the EZA Essential 5-piece luggage set. Designed for every journey, this comprehensive collection includes a 28-inch, 24, 20 suitcase, a versatile duffel, and a toiletry bag. Experience unparalleled convenience with our innovative detachable 8-spinner wheels. They glide effortlessly and detach for compact storage, a true game-changer. Crafted from durable, lightweight ABS hardshell, your belongings stay protected, secured by an integrated TSA lock and organized within smart interior compartments. Maneuver with ease thanks to the ergonomic 3-section telescopic handle and handy side hooks for extra bags. Plus, comfortable TPU handles and a luggage sleeve on the duffel ensure a smooth, stress-free travel experience. Travel smarter, not harder. Number 1. Black Soulana 4-piece luggage set. Introducing the Black Soulana 4-piece luggage set, your ultimate companion for stress-free journeys. Imagine gliding effortlessly through any terminal. Our 368-wheel system ensures each piece moves smoothly in every direction, making navigation a breeze. Need extra space for those last-minute souvenirs? Each bag conveniently expands, offering generous packing capacity for all your essentials. This versatile set includes a 28-inch check-in, 20 carry-on, 15 boarding tote, and a 10 toiletry kit, ensuring you're prepared for any adventure, long or short. With convenient top and side carry handles, lifting and maneuvering are always comfortable. Plus, the secure push-button recessed locking handle system keeps your belongings safe, giving you total peace of mind. Travel smarter, travel further with black Soulana. So, that sums up my 5 4-piece luggage set. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.